Welcome to Debbie's Mindless Happy Place. Today we're going to be taking these jars from blank mason jars to this. So we're going to first of all take our mason jars and we're going to paint them with some kind of like blue chalk paint. We're going to paint all three of them, and then once they've dried and everything, we're going to put a strip of burlap around the middle and tie a little bow up here at the top. Then we're going to take these snowflakes, because it's winter time right now, and we're going to put a little piece of Velcro on them and on the jars, and then we'll just put them right in the middle of the burlap. So when it comes next month and we're on to Valentine's Day, we'll take these off and we'll find some little hearts to put on there, and then this whole year I'll just keep changing it with the season, and then next year we'll have it, and all you have to do is you leave all this in the bathroom, change out the flowers and the little decals that go on the front. So we're going to start by painting our mason jars, and I'm going to start by kind of like shaking this up because I haven't used it in a long time. So hopefully now it's bubbling. Yeah. So I'm going to paint it this pretty blue color chalk paint because I have blue in my bathroom, and I think it will go good in there. And in the summertime, I like to do like the whole ocean theme in there. So I think it will be a good color for the jars to be. So I'm just gonna paint all the jars. Okay, so I ended up doing 2 coats of paint on each one, and then I did just the main part of it a 3rd time. So I like the color. They're nice and bright. They're nice and blue. Now we're going to take our burlap and we're going to cut it. We'll cut 3 pieces, just enough that it will wrap around, and I'm going to hot glue them on there. So we're just going to take it and cut it and cut 3 of them. Cut 1 more. I'm waiting for my hot glue gun to heat up, so we're waiting on that. And then I'm going to take one of these Velcro strips, and I'm going to cut 3 squares. 3 little squares. I think I can do all 3 out of this piece. Yeah, that will be plenty. Alright, so there's my 3 Velcro squares. I'll tear them apart so that I use the same side on all 3. Put that on there, and then take my snowflakes and put a piece of Velcro on the back of each one of them. I'm going to really like this, and each month I can change out with whatever the season is, and it will go all year. It will be pretty. Okay, so there you go. I got that on the back of that. Just put those on the back, the very back. Just look like that. That will be pretty. That will be so pretty. And then take this little rope and see if I can do a piece. I don't know how long, but so I can tie a bow at the top just to dress it up a little bit. Oh, that's perfect. I got 3 pieces out of that. And then let's see if we can tie a bow on each one of the tops. one, center it, center it. Cut that off a little bit. Do that on all three of them at the top. Turn it around so I can see what I'm doing. Tie a bow. There you go. Tie a bow at the top. Bow. Now we're going to take our burlap and we're going to put some hot glue on each piece, and then we're going to put it around our mason jars. There you have what it's going to look like. One more. Well, so close. Okay, here's the third one, like that. Next, we're going to take and put one of these just right in the middle, one of our little Velcro strips right in the middle of our burlap in the front. Oh, that's going to be so cute. I really like it. Oh, and then I can change it out for each season as they come. And then, right now I'm going to put my snowflake on top. There's what it looks like. Oh, those are cute. Those are very cute. And then we have just one more step. So there is the finished product. I have the tops put on for the hand soap and for the toothbrush holder. And I got those off of Amazon. And they came in a set of 4 for like less than $10. So I still have 2 of them left that are just like toppers to put on, like cotton balls or Q-tips, something like that, that you have in a little container. But there you go. I think it turned out really cute. And that way everything can be really organized on my shelf. Also, I can just change out those snowflakes with different things like hearts or flags for the 4th of July and just go throughout the year. I like things that can be interchangeable so that I can keep down on the clutter but still decorate for each season of the year. So I will see you on the next video.